Okay, it's Thursday the 13th, our first day in New York. We are on the subway to downtown. We are going to the 9/11 Museum. It is going to be quite a long day. We're going to get off at South Ferry Terminal because we're going to go on the Staten Island Ferry first and have a look at the Statue of Liberty. So we didn't have a bad night's sleep. We were up quite early, had breakfast at about 7 o'clock, and then we were out by around 8, so we'll see if we flag later on. We are here at the Staten Island Ferry Terminal. Now the Staten Island Ferry is a free service and it takes you right past the Statue of Liberty, so if you don't want to pay and go to see the statue and go to the island, this is a really good way of doing it. So you literally just wait for the ferry, go on board, take a seat outside or inside, look at the view, and then when you're at the other side you turn around and go back on the other ferry. It takes probably, I'd say, give yourself a good hour. You get some really good views though. So we've just done the free Staten Island Ferry just to go around and see the Statue of Liberty. We're going up to the 9/11 Museum now. It is bloody freezing. It's about a 15-minute walk from the ferry, so I'll let you know when we get there. Everyone's in front of me. So we've just arrived here at the World Trade Centre. We're just sort of getting our bearings just to see where we need to go for the 9/11 museum. There's lots of shiny buildings around here. So we're just about to go in. Everything's underground. We've bought our tickets in advance from attractiontickets.com and they were, I think, £27 each. And then they just let you download them onto your phone.
Is that where we're going for food?
Yeah, it's like a Westfield Shopping Centre. So that's part of one of the 9/11 thing. I think it's the subway as well underneath. I think. Oh.
Alright then, guys.
Crazy, go across the crossing. The buildings look mental, they don't look real, do they? They're just so big. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, it does. This looks like a cartoon.
I know.
Or just like a movie. It's crazy. Let's have a look in this part of the World Trade Center. The Oculus, that's what it's called. Couldn't remember. I'm sure there's like shops, restaurants and stuff down here. Yeah, shops at the Oculus. Let's go in and check it out. It's a cool building. Oh, there's an Apple store, gal. There's an Apple store and get a new cover for my phone. I'll take the lazy way, go on the escalators, because the legs are hurting. Yeah, the subway's down there, look. The line we got on subway, it's down underneath there. You can get that.
It's right here. Yeah.
Oh, there's the subway right there, look. That's it. Uptown, that's what we need to get on. We can get straight on there. Uptown, back to where we need to go. That's handy. We're in straight in here. Love that. I'm going to check out the Apple store and get a new 17 Pro Max cover. Loads of designer shops in here. We'll check them out.
Where are we? We're trains on the Oculus Westfield Shopping Centre, just going to where trains are now. We've gone to like a little, there's a bit of everything, isn't there?
Little food market place, a fresh food market.
We've gone for burritos. So me and Keris have got chicken, and Damien has chorizo, 2 cokes and a beer, and it was nearly $74.
Yeah, it's not cheap by any stretch of the imagination, but I think that's just in general the prices in New York now in America. But now we'll taste it, see how it goes. They look pretty good though, quite substantial. That is rather large.
I like that.
It's nice. Kara says lovely.
Yeah.
Tasty. Good. Just tuck in.
So nice, Keris.
Yeah, it was massive. We didn't finish it. So Grandad did.
Lovely. Amazing. Best burrito ever.
Granddad liked it. I liked it. It's lovely. It's all gone.
Yeah, it's really chewy chicken.
That's a shopping centre.
Not stingy, are they?
Oh, I'm stuffed. So we're just deciding what to do next. Where are we going to go?
Somewhere called Brookfield Place.
Alright, okay.
Just the other side of where we are.
Okay.
That's hats.
Real bad man.
I like that.
Well, you can go out on your own wearing it.
Which one I don't really like that.
This one? You don't like this one?
No, I like that one.
Oh, you don't?
Sorry.
Sorry.
I like that one the best, I think.
Yeah.
Try the yellow one
Oh, I
on.
like this one.
What about that one?
Yeah.
I need a matching coat now. Just like a red and brown.
How much then? Oh dear. Just stick to the hat, I think. Or a t-shirt, maybe. Or a t-shirt.
It's a jumper, I never really know. It's like undergarments.
Oh.
That's them.
Oh yeah. Keep you warm.
Yeah, nice and warm.
Let's do that. Holy guacamole. That's just a black jacket. Ain't got much room under that. Beige one. Is it the same one? Is this for when we go to Finland to see the Northern Lights?
Yeah, exactly where
Probably be you'll probably need something thicker than that.
nice. Like a little wind chill protector.
So it don't blow up your top.
Yeah.
Fluff. Like the layering. It's quiet, isn't it? Go. Nothing says tourist like taking a photo in the middle of the road. Key lime pie.
Cheesecake.
They've all got like flowers and pumpkins outside the shops. They've all got like flowers and pumpkins outside the shops.
Those people that do that.
Oh look, it's stuck the building.
Yeah. We can.
We can. It was. What were you talking about?
Staggered building.
There's no way to through car station. No.
Yeah, I think it is.
What?
Real fire station. Yeah.
Mum, that's your shop.
Burrito, oh look. Same. Oyster bar. They must get busy for having like all that seating. Right, oh my god, there's a queue. Go across
Instagram, isn't it?
Oh, I'm going to send it to Phoebe so hard.
You're going to send it to her so
Why,
hard.
did she not come here then? Did she not come here? Who's your friend that came in just now?
What, it's just a cookie shop?
Yeah, or brownies.
Just cookies, I don't want one, I'll just try one you get.
Right, take that. That's a queue. There you go.
This one.
Huh?
Look at them. Mint chocolate chip.
Dubai chocolate cheesecake.
I'm going to try this white chocolate brownie.
Caramel apple cookies. Mint chocolate chip ice cream.
So bad. She's like, bring me back a Crumbl cookie. I said no, but I'll send you a video of me eating it.
So what's special about them?
Apparently they're really nice. I think they changed their flavours.
Oh,
That's why it's
That's
there.
why.
Yeah.
That's it. Let's see if we get your name right. Whoa, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Right, now where are we going?
Let me look at them. Oh!
Yeah.
I've got a s'mores one, mint chocolate chip, apple caramel,
Holy
and
shit.
Dubai
Hang on.
chocolate.
Wait. Well then. Talk us through 'em, what you got?
S'mores.
That's the first one.
Apple and caramel crumble.
Yeah.
A Dubai chocolate cheesecake or like
Yeah.
brownie, I don't know, and then a mint chocolate chip one.
Look at that.
And then, which one? S'mores.
it's melted.
What? Nice. Worth $23. Does it nice?
Cookie like from just the small.
Very nice.
Yeah, they're good.
I'll just a
Oh,
little.
you want a little bit?
Taste the salt. I can taste the salt.
Oh, I really like.
It's nice.
Yeah. I do.
Yummy. Thumbs up for Crumbl.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, get it right now. Right now, get it right now. Get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
The gal's currently lost, or she thinks she's lost us. She can't see us yet, so she He's just wandering around aimlessly.
So after a very long day, we went back to the hotel to chill, and then Damien and I, with Mum and Dad, decided to go over the road to the Irish bar and have a few drinks where we spent the evening chatting to locals and just soaking up the feel of the place. It was a really good evening. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll show you some more of our trips.
Now it was